Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll be right back with y'all in a minute and 3 seconds.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired.
Record now. So just be like that, just be like that. There we go, there we go, there we go. Did you do that? Hey, the key must be in my pocket. You ain't afraid that's gonna get knocked off? Nah, we good. Alright, we good. The horns! So retarded. I'm gonna tell you though, I never thought these test pipes would sound as good as it did. It's loud, but I like it. Alright guys, y'all fixing to hear a car come by. I was stopped at the end of my road. Listen. I'm gonna go ahead and give a shout out to her. That's Amy Bechet. She got a badass Camaro. But I'm getting my shit ready. We're gonna be back for her. I gotta get that Camaro. You know, it's real loud where I got the recorder at, but when you're inside the car, it ain't that bad really. It's got a little drone to it, but it's very, you know, you get used to it. I passed somebody the other day and I downshifted and it went to popping. Man, I know that person beside me, I know they were cussing me out. But, you know, if you watched the videos, my friend, I didn't do it on purpose. Guys, there's a tune I can get for when you let off the throttle, it spits out fire. What tune is that I can get? I've seen a lot of guys have them on the Z's and the G37s. Let me know what that is below. Actually, I had to take a piss right there. I had to take a piss break. I'm actually not running but 20 pounds of air pressure. Hell, if I didn't, it won't even get traction. It actually got a pretty good bit more horsepower with these pipes on it. More than what I figured it would have. By the way, happy Mother's Day. This went out
Come right here, do this.
a day late, but happy Mother's Day.
It's too loud.
Alright guys, tell me what you think about the high flow cats, because that's really what I was wanting at first.
Test.
But these are test pipes, so I'm getting them mixed up now. These are a whole lot louder than test high flow cats. But let me know in the comments what you think. And like I said, I'm wanting to upgrade on my wheels here. So tell me what you think on the wheels.
Actually talking about
Think
bigger
that's a good
wheels.
idea or what? Anyway, and that's it for the day. Like I said, just y'all treat your mothers right. If always, you should. You know, do something really good for them mothers today. Anyway, guys, love y'all. God bless you.